Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's Monday, June 29th, 2020. It's 11:30 in the morning. And I don't think we're in drought conditions anymore. The rain continues. We had a good amount of rain yesterday. And now today, it just started up. I was trying to get the doors on the Harbor Freight greenhouse there and get some panels up because I want to get my figs over there because they get the most sun. And I just dragged all my fig trees out to get a nice soaking of fresh rainwater. All that overflow there, I wish I had some more rain barrels. But yeah, they're all out except the, I was saying Maltese Falcon. I believe I got rid of that one. I have the Maltese Beauty. And it's really leggy, and I was trying to get some stakes in it to secure the branches before I get it outside, but I put a hole in the side of the pot trying to put a wooden stake into it. So I have to find another pot, I think, but yeah, it is coming down. I wanted to do some work on the beehive today too. Got some ideas I want to try. And then yesterday I discovered, late in the afternoon, I've noticed this is sort of a routine that bees have, at least for me. Maybe around 3, 4 o'clock, there's a lot of bees congregating outside doing like an orientation flight. And I don't know if that's new bees venturing out for the first time. And I noticed a couple of bees unable to fly on the ground. They had just one side had sort of like a K-wing. They were thin, and it was sort of like a K. So I've seen that before with the varroa mite introducing the virus to K-wing. So I have some Aprivar strips that I wrapped in foil. The ones I ordered off of Amazon, you have to open up this pack, and then the ones that you don't use, it's not resealable. So I'm not sure if I can use it again or I should order some more from Amazon. But wow, this is just not quitting. This is more rain than yesterday. And you've seen my last video. Yeah, we got a lot of rain yesterday. It is so humid. This is like perfect weather for fig tree cuttings, to get them transitioned outside. And I even have let's get a close-up look here from the top view. That's the Ischia Black. And hopefully the rain and cloud cover is enough to keep these outside all day. I haven't checked the weather radar, so I don't know how long this storm is. But it's been raining for a good 20 minutes now, just like this. So it looks pretty dark and healthy, and but definitely I'm going to have to transition so they don't get burned. I have some of that mosquito netting, the white fabric. I wonder if I drape that over. That's why I want to put the doors on, so the morning sun is on the face of that greenhouse. It faces east, and then the left-hand side there faces south. But I have the top panels missing. So I got the half panels, and then the other sections with the half panels is where they have the, it's not really a hinge panel, but it's an open for airflow. So I'll pull out the peas, they're pretty much done. And then I was going to get all these fig trees into the greenhouse there. getting good watering. And a lot of dust ends up settling up on the leaves there in the lean-to. So this will wash all that off. Maybe get some of the scale off too. Yeah, it's just coming down non-stop. There it is, settling down a little bit. So this is New England gardening. Getting these remaining fig trees out. There's a lot of work, so I don't know how long I'm going to continue with this hobby with the fig trees. I can't believe I got rid of a lot of my fig trees, and this is what I have left. So this is New England gardening. Today's Monday, June 29th, 2020, and at least in my location, I don't know what's going on up in New Hampshire. I think the drought has been reduced a little bit. So we definitely made significant progress with our rainfall. Hopefully it'll last long so it soaks in. Thanks for watching.